Alright, so I've been mixing this for 5 minutes and periodically I'll take a spatula and turn off the machine. Make sure you do turn off the machine, and then you just start, scraping the bottom like this, and then go back to it again. And you can mix it for more if you like, but this is pretty much the texture that you want. It looks sticky, but if you actually, let's take this off. If you actually take it off, it's this texture. It kind of sticks to your hand, but not really. So this is the texture you want. Okay? And you're going to scrape this off of your bowl and put it into a sprayed bowl to let it rise. Or you can just put oil or butter or anything like that. And so you're going to go ahead and scrape this off like this. This is a good dough. So you know when it's done when you can do this to your dough. Okay. You don't want it to be too watery. If it's too watery, add more flour. But don't add too much, because too much flour would make the bread crumbly or not as fluffy and soft as you would like. Okay, so you're going to take this and put it in there. And you're going to cover with saran wrap. And then you're going to put it into a warm oven. What I do is I'll put the oven on bake for about 200 degrees for 1 minute, turn it off, and it should be warm enough, or anywhere that is warm. You can put cloth instead of plastic wrap, and just keep it into a warm place for about an hour or until it doubles in size. And then once it doubles, I'll be back.